In order to submit your executed contract for approval, make sure that you have created your offer folder in Jointly. To kick off the compliance process, you'll first need to update the offer status from Submitted to Executed. In the next window, you'll be asked to confirm your contract dates, as well as answer a few questions about your contract. Our system will use this information to automatically generate the requirements needed for closing. After answering the questions, you'll see a customized list of required documents on your contract documents page. Your compliance status will also move to Not Submitted for Review. If you have your contract on your device, you can start the upload process by clicking Add Document. Drag and drop or choose a file from your device and hit Upload. Your files will show up in the Inbox folder in your contract documents. Let's start by splitting this contract file into individual documents. Click the prompt to open the Split Document modal, where you can easily separate and name each of your contract documents in one smooth workflow. You can also easily identify and auto-submit other requirements from your inbox with our inline identification feature. You can see in this example that we have one last missing requirement, the non-realty items addendum. You might be waiting for the cooperating party to send it, or you might want to start drafting it here. You can click into the placeholder to see other submission options. You'll see that you can directly attach a file from your device, start drafting a new one directly on Jointly, or even request an exemption from your compliance manager in case this document is no longer needed for closing. Let's jump ahead to closer to your closing date. At this point, everything is ready, and you can now submit your executed contract for review. Click on the compliance status and select Submit for Review. You'll be asked to verify the contract dates as well as the contract details, in case there were any things that may have changed from the point of contract execution up until today. You'll also be asked if there were any amendments to the contract. In this example, we'll select No. The system will then verify if all required documents are complete, and if so, your deal status will update to In Review, letting you know it's in the hands of your compliance manager. After submitting your documents for review, you'll have to complete the commission request, which you can find in your contract tasks. Once you complete the commission request, the commission manager will be able to generate the CDA and submit to title. If any corrections are needed after submitting your documents, your compliance manager will send the deal back to you with notes on the rejected documents. You'll be able to see this in the compliance status, which will say Missing or Rejected Docs. Any rejected documents will show a status chip showing you which documents need correction. Clicking into the file will show you the reason for rejection in the middle panel. You can review the document and replace the file in here. Once you've completed any corrections, you can resubmit your deal for review here. The deal will go back to the In Review status for your compliance manager to review your corrections. If everything looks good, the compliance manager will mark the deal as Docs Approved. Once the commission request has been approved by the commission manager, they can mark the deal as ready for closing. You'll be able to easily keep track of the transaction approval statuses across your different deals with the compliance statuses on your deal cards. If you need any help, message us in the support chat. Thank you for watching.